Let's solve part C now. So what's the level of tax that the government should implement to obtain the socially efficient outcome? What's the intuition here? We know that the company produces paint and that has an external damage on the society, and we would like to reduce that damage. And we saw in the previous video that there is an optimal level for which the company should produce. Now, in order to obtain that, we would tax. And what would be that tax? Well, that tax would be equal to the marginal damage that the company produces at the social optimal level. Now, the marginal damage is itself a function of the quantity. That's 1/2 times the quantity. So the tax that we would charge would be 1/2 multiplied with the quantity at the social efficient level. And we saw that in the previous video that the social efficient level would equal to 4 units. So the tax would be 1/2 times 4. 1/2 times 4, and that would give us a tax of $2 per unit. So 1/2 times 4, that would give us a tax of $2 per unit. Now, to check if this indeed works, let's see what would be the result at the moment. We know that the company would produce at the level of price equals to the marginal cost plus the tax. We said that the tax implicitly increases the cost of production. So the company must account for that. Now, what is the price? Well, the price is $10. That's $10. What is the marginal cost? We saw it in the previous video that the marginal cost is equal to 2 times the quantity. So we would have 2 times the quantity plus the tax of $2 that we just saw. Now, if we solve this, what do we get? Well, we take 2 to the other side. 10 minus 2, that's equal to 8, equals to 2 times the quantity, meaning that the quantity that the company would produce now would be equal to 4 units. That would be equal to 4 units, and we can see that is the same quantity as the social efficient level over here. So the strategy works, and we are done.